Great.
Are you alright?
I'm hurting here, though. I'm a dope, Max. All this time you've been here, and I could see anytime I felt like it, but I didn't. When your mom told me you were moving to Boston, and I started thinking, I could be sitting around sometime and want to look at you and hold you and play with you. And I want to be able to. I don't think I'm going to do too well with that. I love you more than anything else in the world, Max. And you know it's true. I couldn't say it if it wasn't true. Not today. I love you. And I'll never hurt you again.